Hello everyone, we have my 2011 Nissan Maxima needing a new battery. I'm going to make this kind of short and sweet. So it failed the cold crank amps test. It's been having a slow crank. Good thing is my battery's under warranty. It's a 3-year replacement, free replacement, and after that I believe it's prorated, I'm guessing. So I got the receipt in the house. I'm going to get this. It's going to be a free exchange. Keep your receipts if you got a Walmart battery. If you don't have your receipt, at least on the Walmart app, you can take a picture of this serial number, and it'll maintain the warranty records on the app versus you being old school like me and not doing that, but trying to save space on my phone anyway. So this whole job, you'll pretty much be using a 10 millimeter wrench, and if you got a deep socket, you can use a deep socket too to fit these threaded nuts. So you're going to be taking 1, 10, 2, 3. I'm not sure if we got to take this fourth one off. We may have to. We'll figure that out. Let's see if we have to swivel that up. No, we're not. We'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with our negative side, and we're going to turn counterclockwise. Okay, that's one. Now this one's going to be, I think this bolt is clockwise. No, it's not. It's still so both bolts counterclockwise. You're good. Just keep them counterclockwise. You don't want to over tighten them and damage anything. Boom. Okay. So and we're halfway done. Let's go ahead and we're going to get the brace off. And be careful not to make contact with these terminals because they will spark you. It's not fun. In this event, you may want to just use a look at that. Use that socket. Look at that. They still kind of loose. Oh, I guess that's from 3 years, of usage. That's just gonna happen. They kind of just bag off them threads a little bit. And of course, this will be for the installation of the new battery. It's reverse order. Put the battery in and put your brace on, get it nice and tight, and you should be good. We're gonna see if we can still not have to fiddle with these bolts over here. If we can just somehow get this battery out, we'll see. Okay, so that falls. Just be careful. That thread falls, so we'll should just fall in the tray. Shouldn't fall in the bottom of the car. Shouldn't. Put those 2 screws right here on your flash guard. My beautiful Max. Okay. And let's see. It looks like we will have to deal with this just to get this up. Actually, we'll just untighten this. And what it does is it slides up. So let's back this off. Let's see here. Should be counterclockwise. There we go. Counterclockwise. And that's just another bolt. Comes out. Put it where you won't lose it. Now, look at that. And your battery should come out at this point. All right, we're gonna go get our new one. 2011 Nissan Maxima battery replacement. Like and subscribe, guys. This is my daily driver. The Taurus is my wife's, but I do drive the Taurus more than she does because I want her in a safer vehicle. Airbags, ABS all the way around. You know the story on that. This old girl, she's my safety girl. All right, keeps my safety lady. Keeps my lady safe. All right, we're gonna get it in. Y'all have a good day. Hope you enjoyed this video.